Good morning students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 15, preposition. Let us see the definition. A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to some other words in the same sentence. Preposition is a word when we are going to split in two forms. Pre plus position. Pre means before, position means place. Let us see some examples of preposition: on, in, under, behind, to. These are the some prepositions. Now we will see some examples of preposition. There is a cow in the field. Here in this sentence there is a relationship showing between the cow and the field with the help of in. In is the preposition used in the sentence. Next example, somebody is standing at the gate. Here standing, as we know, is a verb and gate is a noun which shows the relationship between both them, standing and gate, through the help of the preposition we are using at. Third example, his pockets are full of money. As we know, full is used as a adjective in the sentence. Money is a noun. With the help of, which is a preposition we are using to show the relationship between them. Fourth one, the cat is under the table. Here under is used as the preposition. Next we will talk about object of the preposition. In that, as we know that noun or pronoun which is used before the preposition, that is known as object of the preposition. Now next we will talk about types of preposition. Preposition of a place, preposition of time, or preposition of direction. These are the three types of preposition. When we are talking about preposition of place, then we are talking means where someone or something is. When we use a preposition of time, means to show when an event has happened. Or when we are talking about preposition of direction, means we are talking about the location. Let us understand in detail. Preposition of place means, let us see through the example. Nikki is standing against a wall. Here against is a preposition. We use where in the place of preposition. With the help of where we are using question. Nikki is, where is Nikki? Okay. Second preposition of time. When we have to ask when an event happens or happened. Let us see through the example. Ricky swims on Saturday. Here on is used as a preposition and it shows when the event has happened. Third, we will talk about preposition of direction. In preposition of direction, the direction in which someone or something comes or goes. Example, Nikki is throwing a ball at them. Here at is used as preposition which indicates which direction the ball is thrown. Next, we will talk in detail about the types of preposition. In first, preposition of time. It is used to show when something or something happened or happens or will happen. Let us see some examples of preposition of time is in, on, at, before, after, about, for, since, between. Let us see some example in detail where they are using. When we are talking about use of in is used for the name of country, large towns, or years, seasons, month, centuries, time of day, for direction, constant situations, or for the condition we are using in. For example, I live in India. I met him in 2015. It is always hot in May. There is tea in cup. Here in is used as a preposition of time to show. Now next we will talk about use of on. On is used for showing days, date or specific holidays. For example, let us see, I go to school on Monday. He visit park on weekend. We celebrate the Christmas on 25th day. Here we are talking about the specific days, specific holidays. Yes. Next we will talk about at. At is more often used when speaking of small towns or villages, small places, fixed time or specific time. Then we are using at. Let us see some example. I met him at zoo in Delhi. She reaches here at 2 p.m. They will meet at the airport. At is used here to show a different ways in the example. Next we will use before. Before is used to show the time or location, even direction. Let us see the example. It is used to show the time, location or direction as we had read about the before. He came before 5 p.m. She was before me in the queen. Okay. Now we will talk about after. After is used to show time and sequence. Let us see some example. I will reach home after an hour. Here after is used to show the time. She will join us after office. Here after is used as a sequence. Next we will talk about. Shows connection, cause and direction. Let us see the example. They are talking about a new vacation plan. Here about is used as a cause. My mother is worried about my poor health. Here is again it is used to show the cause. Third, those students are working about the parking area. Here we are used about as a direction. Now we will talk about for. It is used for a reason, cause, person, purpose, duration of time or specific the use of something. Let us see some example. We are waiting for him. Here for is used to show the person. My friends are playing for 2 hours. Here for is used to show the time. Is there any train for Nagpur in evening? Here for is used for purpose. Why did not come for match today? Here for is used for asking the reason. This frog is for my little daughter. Here for is used for specific reason. Now we will talk about preposition of place. It is a preposition which refers to a place where something or someone is located. For example, under, above, over, in, on, at, etc. These are the prepositions we use for the preposition of place. Let us see in detail. Under is used when we show the below the surface of something. My book is lying under the table. The cat is under the table. Here we are used under to show the below the surface of something. On is indicate such position that can be touched. It is used for a specific of something refers to television, any device, or refers to any parts of body. The time we use on. Now we will see the example. What is kept on the bed? She is on phone. Here on is used to show a specific position that can be touched. Yes, for phone or bed. Next we will move on. Above. Above is used to indicate such a higher position that the preposition on. For example, it is also used to indicate something out of reach. You can say in simple language that if something is out of your reach, then we also use above in the sentence. The sky is above my head. Above is used because it is out of reach to us. Stars are above the sky. Here above is used because it is out of reach to us. Now we will talk about over. Position between on and above which is not touching. It is used are they taking help of staircase, ladder, something other than the time or touch. For example, my flat is over that shop. A bird flew over my head. Next, in is indicates something to be present in a place or nearby but not the exact place. Means you are knowing that somewhere is the place but exact place you don't know. That time we are using in. Let us take an example. He lives in Bangalore. Akash has planted tomato in his garden. Here you know he is living in Bangalore, but you don't know exact place. Akash has planted the tomatoes in the garden, but you don't know the exact place where in garden he has planted the tomatoes. At that time we are using in. Now we will talk about at. Indicates in a place where the subject or noun is. For example, he is at the balcony. We spent a happy evening at home. They were celebrating their victory at the party hall. Now we will talk about preposition of direction. It is describe where to go or where to put something. In, to, off, from, up, down, around, etc. are the words which we are used in the direction. Let us take some example. To is used to show the direction of place. Before any object, between two times, a period or two distance. For invitation, for comparison we are also using to. For example, he went to college. I like rice to bread. Means even like rice and bread also. I reach market by vegetables. Now we will talk about into. Go out. To change form and for direction we are using into. Now we will see the example. He went into the room. Here into is used to show the direction. Milk turned into the curd. Here we are using into for showing the changing the form from milk to curd. Now we will talk about of. Of is used for group, belonging, amount, feeling, specific parts. Then we are using of. For example, he gave me a note of ₹10. Here of is used to show an amount. She is scared of lizard. Here of is used to show the feeling. Now we will use of form. It is used to indicate the point of a place at which the journey or action starts. From where the journey is started, we are using to show from. Now we will take an example. He gave he came from England. Here from is used to show the journey. They walked from home to park. Here from is used to show the action. Now, next we will talk about up. Up is used to show the motion towards the higher position or place. For example, lift your hand up, climb up the stairs. Next we will talk about down. Down is indicates a motion towards a lower place. As we had discussed in the class also, I am climbing down the hill. Please turn down the volume of music system. We are talking about the lower place, towards the lower place. Next we had talked about around. Around is used to show the location or direction. For example, they are sitting around the table. Around is used to show the location. Yes, the kids are playing around the house. Here around is used for location. Now we will talk about other relations. First is manner. About how certain things happens, or we can say is done. Let us see the example. I solved the sum without any difficulty. Here we can make the questions by using how. How solve the sum, or how you can solve the sum. We get answer without any difficulty. This is the manner of preposition. We will meet the challenge with courage. Example, helping to answer the question how. How will you meet the challenge? Answer we are getting with courage. Now we will talk about cause and purpose. Shows a reason for happening or being in a sentence. Example, he died of a heart attack. In this sentence, of will be of cause. We can ask a question by making why. Next example, she is doing a lot for the welfare of the blind. Here, of is used for purpose, helping, and we can use by questioning why. Now we will talk about agency and instrument. Place in a sentence to fulfill the purpose of showing an agent. For example, some trains are run by electricity. Yes, here run is action, electricity is noun, and by is an agency for preposition which is used to connect them to show the relationship. Next example, he cut his finger with a knife. Here cut is an action, knife is a noun, and the act was done by using knife, and this shows the agency and instruments. Next we will talk about measure and rate. Usually used to describe the measure, standard, or the value. Sometimes is used in comparison or just for standard measurement. Let's see. Example, new milk is sold by liter. Here by is used for measure an apple are being sold at 20 rupees a kilo. At is used for rate. Next we will talk about interference and source. It is used for basically origin, source, and sometimes in the sentence. Let us see. We get light from the sun. Here what is the source? From is used for source, that is sun is the source of the light. So from is used as a source in the sentence. Her look provides that she was in trouble. Here in is used as interference. Students, interference means a conclusion reached on the base of the evidence or reason. So this much for this chapter. Now the chapter ends. Thank you, students.